Good morning. We're working on my shirts with the tails. So if you guys see, I already got my bias laying on the fold, and then I got the front part laying not on the fold, and we'll make the crisscross shape. So now, guys, I'm just gonna cut this out. I love these tops. I got some gray snakeskin thigh-high boots, and I need some gray to wear with it. So just cutting it out. And this is a scratchy fabric. So cutting out the back. Uh-oh. I'm not even in the frame. Sorry guys, cutting out the back. Okay. So that's the back. That's cut. Now we're going to cut the other part. And then, guys, we're going to make the sleeves. Then we're going to make the sleeves. So then it will be time to assemble. But I love these tops, though. And it looks very good with some jeans. So if you guys see that, I always use the same bias when I'm making it, and I just extend the pieces as needed. So, and when I cut out the ties for the top, I cut it out all at once, guys. I don't turn around and cut it later and make the ties. So if you guys see, I'm just cutting it all at once, guys. So next step will be the sleeves, guys. You know I don't have a lot of memory. So I'm going to keep cutting, and I'll come back. So if you guys see, I got it all cut out. And if you guys see, I got the pieces facing right sides together. So now I'm just going to pin, and I'm going to sew it together. And then we're going to create the sleeves. So, yes, we're getting it all together. So the next step is I will create the sleeves. So I'm just pinning it together, and I'm going to sew it, and I'll come back, guys. Alrighty. Guys, so here is the finishing results. And see, I love the little tail thing. And guys, my sleeves are not attached yet because I told you guys I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, guys, basically I just take a piece of fabric and cut it into a square. So you see this square? And I'm just going to pretty much take it, line it up right there, line it up, and I'm going to sew it down and even it out on each side. And I don't close the bottom because I kind of like these little floppy sleeves. So it kind of goes with the train in the back. So guys, if you want to make them tops, that's pretty much what you need. And this is a 4-way scratch fabric. So guys, as always, thank you guys so much for always watching, guys. And I love these tops. And these is some boots. I love these boots. Took me a long time to find something to wear with them because I got them last year, and I'm like gray. So I figured this will go with it. Okay, guys. So you guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots of the top that I made, guys. So yes, I love these tops, guys. So if you guys want to try it out, remember, just extend the back of the top, and you guys can make this in the sleeves. It's just a square, guys. Thank you guys so much. Happy sewing, guys. Bye bye.